And days after a contentious Comptroller and Auditor General report emerged that said that there were several lapses in the now scrapped excise policy and also claimed a 2,026 crore loss to the Delhi Exchequer, the Delhi High Court has wrapped the Aam Aadmi Party government over its handling of the CAG report. A single-judge bench of Justice Sachin Datta has said that the government dragged its feet to prevent the assembly session from taking place. It also said that the Delhi government's delay in sending the CAG reports to the Speaker and the way the matter was handled by the government has raised doubts about its bona fides. Now, remember earlier, the report on the Delhi government's excise policy had revealed a revenue loss of over 2,000 crores to the state exchequer. The report's findings stated that the policy deviated from the objective, its pricing lacked transparency, and there were also violations in issuing licenses. The report also claimed that the group of ministers led by Manish Sisodia also ignored recommendations from an expert panel on the same. Now, predictably, the court observation has triggered a fresh round of politics over this controversial CAG report. Earlier, the Aam Aadmi Party government in the court asked it to stop its words being used and twisted out of context by its political opponents, a request that the court has reportedly declined. The BJP, on the other hand, has said that the CAG report is just the tip of the iceberg. Listen in.
करीब अक्टूबर के महीने से लेकर आज तक तकरीबन 1 दर्जन सीएजी की रिपोर्ट्स हैं, जो आर्थिक समीक्षा की रिपोर्ट्स हैं दिल्ली सरकार की, जिसे कि दिल्ली के विधानसभा के पटल पर नहीं रखा गया है। संचालित सरकार में दिल्ली के विधानसभा सेक्रेटेरिएट ने 11 जनवरी को, इसी 11 जनवरी 2025 को यह कहा है देयर इज नो यूज ऑफ टेबलिंग द रिपोर्ट्स, जबकि हमारे 7 विधायकों ने इस विषय को लेकर लिखित प्रतिवेदन विधानसभा अध्यक्ष को दिया कि जो सरकार की आर्थिक समीक्षा की रिपोर्ट्स आ रही हैं उन्हें सदन के पटल पर क्यों नहीं रखा जा रहा है। Their anarchist character is now pervading in the constitutional institution and constitutional procedures which are very much required for proper functioning of a government.